Hey, so this is Mr. Roos. I'm going to be introducing to you guys a cool little web tool that we have been introduced to. It's called the Smore. Smore is a cool little tool that we can use as teachers or as students to create little brochures that we can hand out via email or print. It's a free tool that the internet offers, and we can pretty much do anything that you really want. It's very adaptable to our design, and it has a lot of cool little functions. So let's get started. The website's smore.com, and in it, as soon as you open up and you say new flyer right up here in the top corner, you have a couple options. You can do a flyer that's got an event, a business, for sale, news bulletin, class, or other. So I think we're going to go with a little other right now. Do you want to tell us what you're making? Let's say a class brochure. Can't spell, so that's alright. Start from blank. So click to edit a title. Well, I'm going to do one on 3D printing. So I'm going to say 3D printing software. Now I can always go back and edit this stuff, so we can worry about capitals and all that fun stuff later. And I'm going to call this one, do you have a design you want to build? Kind of give it like a little fun introduction for the students that, to introduce them to my course. Click to edit a title. Alright, let's edit a title. Let's see. Alright, so that's kind of like a little brief introduction to what I'm trying to have the students do. Now what's cool about this is you can kind of add all kinds of stuff, and the other formats that you choose rather than other like class or business or for sale, they have a much more elaborate layout plan. We can go back, we can change all our colors from modern, handwritten, minimal, it's fun stuff. I'm going to go with something that's modern because it's kind of industrial looking. We can add more text and pictures. So let's say picture, and I'm going to add a big picture of, what do I want to do? I want to add a picture, and I'm going to choose a MakerBot, because MakerBot's a 3D printer that we're going to be using. Alright. We can add audio, embed links. We can add text. What I would do for this type of thing, I would actually include the curriculum that we would be involved, if there's a prerequisite for the course, whether the course is a half year, full year, kind of give some more examples of things that the students will be able to produce and create, and kind of just give them, a fun little interactive brochure that we can actually view as a individual. And this tool can be used for a lot of things, but it's really good for teachers, I think, and students for creating projects. There's a lot more to it, but right now this is what I'm going to show you, and give it a try.